In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Xero online support. If you ever get stuck in Xero and need help from the support team, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to reach them from right inside your account. Start by opening Xero in your browser and signing into your organization. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Help icon. It usually appears as a question mark. Click that icon to open Xero's Help panel. From the Help panel, choose Go to Xero Central. This opens Xero Central in a new tab, which is the main hub for support articles, community content, and contacting the support team. It's where you'll search for answers and, if needed, raise a support case. Make sure you're signed in here so Xero can recognize your subscription and give you the right options. On the Xero Central page, select Contact Support. This brings you to the place where you can either find self-help resources or move forward with getting in touch with a specialist. Begin by typing a short description of your problem in the search field. Use clear keywords like the feature name and the error or task you're trying to complete. As you type, Xero will suggest help articles that often solve common issues faster than waiting for a response. If one of those articles answers your question, you can stop here. If not, keep going. When the suggestions don't resolve your issue, click I still need help. This opens the support request form so you can share details with the team. Complete the required fields carefully. Add a concise subject line and a detailed description that includes what you were trying to do, the exact steps you took, what you expected to happen, and what actually occurred. If you saw an error message, include the wording. Select the relevant product area. Choose the affected organization if you have more than one, and note any deadlines or impacts so the team can prioritize appropriately. If the form allows attachments, add screenshots or a short screen recording to help illustrate the issue. When everything looks accurate and complete, click Next to proceed and follow the on-screen prompts. That's it. You've navigated from your Xero dashboard to Xero Central, searched for answers, and opened a path to contact support when you still need help. Keep your description specific and focused and attach evidence where possible. This speeds up troubleshooting and helps Xero get you the right solution faster. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your support request.